These baked sheet pan pancakes are a great way for everyone to get their favorite kind of pancake with one pan and no flipping required. In a medium bowl, we're going to whisk buttermilk, eggs, vanilla, and salt until combined. Then add your sugar and whisk together once more. Set this aside. Now in a large bowl, we're going to add flour, baking powder, baking soda, and we're going to whisk that all together. Add the buttermilk mixture to the flour mixture and gently fold together with a silicone spatula until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, and it's okay to have a few lumps. Now we're going to pour the batter into a well-greased 18 by 13 inch sheet pan and even out the batter until it reaches the edges. Now imagine the sheet pan divided into 4 equal sections. Add dollops of melted strawberry jam into the first section. Slice your strawberries and bananas because we're going to add those next. Add the strawberries on top of the strawberry jam. Then add the bananas to the second section of your pancake. Now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of our reserved pancake batter and mix in cinnamon and light brown sugar. Spoon out dollops of your cinnamon mixture onto the batter and use a toothpick to gently swirl it in. Finally, we're going to scatter chocolate chips in the last section. Bake it at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes and top with your favorite topping like syrup, powdered sugar, or even whipped cream.